Welcome back to Smart Optometry. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that challenges many practitioners: how to correct hyperopia in patients with convergence insufficiency. Whether you're a practicing optometrist or students, this video will provide valuable insights. So, let's get started. What is hyperopia? Hyperopia, or farsightedness, occurs when light rays coming from infinity entering the eye focus behind the retina. To correct this, we typically prescribe plus lenses, which help bring the focus forward onto the retina. What is convergence insufficiency? Convergence insufficiency is a condition where the eye struggles to converge while focusing on a near object, thus near point of eyes receded. Normally eyes focus here, but due to convergence insufficiency, eyes are focusing here. When objects is coming further closer, eyes can't converge further. That leads to the rays coming from an object focus in an extrafoveal area of both eyes. When rays focus extrafoveal area of both eyes, image becomes double and blurred. This happens due to inadequate positive fusional vergence in convergence insufficiency. Positive fusional vergence is an important eye movement that allows our eyes to converge while seeing near objects, ensuring that light focuses on the fovea of both eyes, allowing for fusion of both eye images. The challenge of hyperopia correction in CI. In hyperopia correction, we use plus lenses that relax the accommodation. When accommodation is relaxed, accommodative convergence will also relax that stimulate divergence of eyes. To see the object single and clear, our eyes must converge, and our eyes use positive fusional vergence to compensate for this relaxed accommodative convergence. But in CI, patient is already having reduced positive fusional vergence that can't compensate the extra demand of positive fusional vergence. So, eyes can't compensate for this extra demand, and as a result, hyperopic correction using plus lenses often worsens the symptoms for CI patients. Now the question is, how do we correct hyperopia in patients with convergence insufficiency? Let's see in the next slide. Several techniques can be followed to correct hyperopia in convergence insufficiency. Let's explore 4 main approaches. Technique 1. Full correction with full-time wear and follow-up. Technique 2. Partial correction with full-time wear and follow-up. Technique 3. Full correction with vision therapy. Technique 4. Partial correction with vision therapy. Let's know details about all these techniques in coming slides. Technique 1. Full correction with full-time wear and follow-up. In the first approach, we prescribe the full hyperopic correction and instruct the patient to wear their glasses full-time. After about 4 to 6 weeks, we bring them back for a re-evaluation. If symptoms persist, we might recommend vision therapy at that point. Technique 2. Partial correction with full-time wear and follow-up. Alternatively, we can prescribe a partial correction for full-time wear. Again, after 4 to 6 weeks, we re-evaluate the patient's symptoms. If there is no improvement, we consider adding vision therapy. Technique 3. Full correction with vision therapy. In this third approach, we prescribe the full correction right from the start, instruct to wear full-time and combine it with vision therapy. This method is proactive, aiming to improve PFV while the patient adapts to their full prescription. Technique 4. Partial correction with vision therapy. Finally, we have the option of partial correction, instruct to wear full-time and combine with vision therapy. This method allows the patient to slowly adapt to their prescription while working on their PFV in therapy. After the therapy, we can increase the plus correction with the improvement of positive fusional vergence. Now, if you ask me for the best approach, Technique 4, that is undercorrection of hyperopia along with vision therapy, often provides the most rapid relief for CI patients. Once the patient's PFV improves and their near point of convergence gets better, we can gradually prescribe additional plus lenses. So, to summarize, correcting hyperopia in patients with convergence insufficiency requires a careful balance. Vision therapy plays a key role in helping patients improve their fusional vergence while adapting to their hyperopic correction. If you're working with such patients, make sure to follow up regularly and adjust the treatment as needed. Thanks for watching Smart Optometry. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and as always, keep seeing clearly.